everybody, welcome to another Minecraft episode. Okay, I have to say I've been kind of getting obsessed with Minecraft. I have been on it like all day today. Well, I went to the cinema with my dad, but yeah. Anyway, I organised my chest. I'm being an organised user. So this is my gardening chest. This is like my building blocks and decoration stuff. Bing bing! This is my food. It's like a fridge, basically. These are my tools and weapons. I've never even used my iron sword that much either. And then here's just pet food for my pets and beautiful pets. I'm gonna actually tell you. So, you better be sitting up. Where's your dad? Where's Tux? Oh, that's Tux. And then there's Kathy and Bella. Is Orange Juice? Yeah, Orange Juice is sitting down. So, as you can probably tell, I made a farm. And it's growing. It's beautiful. Also, I have cursed this land. Now I'm gonna do a little story time. Everybody get comfortable. So, I don't know if you can see that over there. If you can, tell me. Anyway, oh, by the way, do you guys like my new skin? I got a new skin. And it's got a cute cat. I'm taking off my iron chest plate for a second so you can see. There's a booty, my booty, and my beautiful blonde hair. Technically, it's not identical to me. It's I just don't have that long hair. But the eyes are too blue as well, and I don't have a cat hoodie, unfortunately. But I cursed this land with. Oh look, there's that poisonous potato I threw earlier. I cursed this land with skeleton horses, so here's a story time. I hope everyone's comfortable. I was just over there and I saw like this skeleton horse. I approached it because I thought it was like just there, it just spawned. But then lightning struck it and like loads of these skeleton jockeys on the skeleton horses came out, but then because I think it was day, they like die at night time or daytime. And I know that there was one down there, but I think it might have died. And it's been basically like... There's a creeper over there, we need to run. Also, yeah, there's been a few updates that I've done here. So, of course I got my farm, which basically has beetroots and wheat, because they're probably the most useful things other than baked potatoes. I did mention in the last episode I got diamonds. I had 4, now I have 6. Some person gave me 2 because, like, they found an emerald, but then I accidentally picked it up and gave it like them and they gave me diamonds. And anyway, and I'm gonna actually cook this meat. Oh, I got loads of cactuses green. And so I'll basically take you through my chest. This is just gonna be like the things that I'll need. Sometimes if I go mining, I'll take a bucket of water, so that if I come across any lava, I can turn it into obsidian, and I'll have obsidian right away. Because I want to make a crafting table, not a crafting table, I was about to say crafting table. Why did I say crafting? I thought there was a dog right there, but it's not. Okay. Anyway. There is a house over here, or 2, that have books in them. So I can make wait, can I make an enchantment table? I can make an enchantment table. But I don't want to waste those 2 diamonds, because they were like, so when I get my next 2 diamonds, I'm going to use them to make an enchantment table. I might try and make like, but then I'll need bookshelves! Oh my gosh! And so, I was about to say, but let's make an enchantment table! Oh no. No! Get away from me! Get away! Oh! He's like, right? Oh my god. I've never had mobs, like, for ages. Anyway. So a lot has changed. I'll just take you through the chest anyway. So, here's my chest. These are all the dyes for colours and whatnot and stuff. And then I've got this bit for emptiness, and yeah, there's loads of emptiness, very rare items. I've got random leather, which I don't know what use I can make that. I've only got 2. I got some bricks, I got some string, so I can make another fishing rod when my fishing rod breaks. Speaking of fishing, we should probably go fishing so that my cats can have something to eat. And hopefully they don't breed, because I don't want anyone breeding, okay? You hear that, Tugs and Catfies? No more children for now, because I already have several dogs that don't have names. By the way, so this is Aurora, this is Jake. That is like creepy me out. We got Stella, Lucky, Momo, who actually got a nice green collar. We got Lady, we got Buddy, we got Wolf who's over there, we got Lexi, and who else? We got something like that. I don't have a name for this guy. Dorito. We'll name him Dorito. Also, Buddy got a cyan color, so that means we have, if we ever get any more dogs, we can have the choice of giving it a light blue color, which is cool. Did we give a dog a dark green color? I don't think we did. And I'm not going to get any more. Guys, I have enough dogs. I don't need another one. I'm thinking about building like a small room or something on top of my house, so that like I can escape, like right there. But I don't know. I'll have to think about it. It's definitely, if we're doing anything, it's not going to be in this episode. Definitely not. I think we should go some fishing, but the thing that we're going to need is some fishing rod. Just some. Anyway, back to this task. And then we've got all my valuables. I've almost got 4 stacks of redstone. I've got some iron, some gold, so we can go spend some money. I could probably get, should I get Tux a name tag, guys? Because I think if I get him a name tag, that would be fair on him. I believe it's 13 gold. I may or may not be wrong. Goodbye, 23 gold. We're going to Warp Mole Village. Hang on, I'm just gonna move my camera down a little bit, so that should be good. I don't know why I'm always like moving my camera, and I don't even know what I tell anyone. It doesn't really make a difference anyway. Also, if you play Minecraft and you would like to visit me, then my username is, I shall say something in the chat. Hello. Hello. That's my username. So if you would like to visit my hey Eva, I am making a video. I don't know why everyone, like, I don't know why to tell everyone, but then everyone tries to teleport. Yes, it's 13. We're gonna name Tux because, okay. Smiley face. Anyway, shout out to Bio, is that how you say your name? You wanna help me decorate my house? Again. 1 10 on 1. Why did I do that? Anyway, Tux, welcome to, I think, I'm only naming him Tux, because I think he's that. Tux. Good boy. That's you, Tux. Tux. Hello, Tux. You get on my chest. Mate. You sit on that cake. Can I continue? Now you sit. And Cassie is happily and organized. What? Okay. I'll TPA. I make no sense. I makes no sense. Slash TPA. No. TPA. That thing. Viol. Okay. Anyway. Goodbye, cat! Okay. Goodbye, cat. Goodbye, Cassie. Goodbye, Bella. And goodbye, Orange Juice. That's his name, Orange Juice. Ooh. Good body, I don't know. Ooh. Is this their house? Beautiful. Beauty house. Nice house. What? Are they leaving me to do all this? You have an enchantment. You have an enchant. I don't know. A table thingy. A table thing. An enchanted. No, I can't spell it. You have. Never mind. Wait, did they sleep up there? Can I? Hello, fire. Wait, where are they? Is it? Wait, where is they? Where are they? I'm probably not gonna be able to film this though. Wait, where's the house? Which one's the house? Oh, okay. Okay. That is a sick house. I want to have a sick house. No! There's zombies chasing after me. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm not. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. But I'm probably not. I'll probably end this really soon. Because I've just been messing around with chests. Where did you go? I hear. I is here. I is here, Vile. Let me in! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, do they have 2 floors? Sick. Okay, I shall help. Okay. Okay, anyway. Thank you all for watching. Remember to give a like, subscribe, and share, and comment what your favorite, we're gonna do a question of the day. What's your favorite sweet / candy, whatever you call it? I call it sweet. You don't call it candy. Really. Okay, remember to do that, and yeah, bye.